There we go. Now we're on. Merry Christmas. It's too bad Christmas comes just about one day a year. Alright, let's see if we can get focus. Focus.
The belt trigger on your laser cannon fires a single ion bolt. Captain Insurance forces what it counts. Z marks the spot. Stand by to disengage. Stabilize your flight path. Aim for those Z's. These power-hungry robots are Zerg's first line of defense. Neutralize them with your laser cannons.
Attention Space Rangers, your mission has been sabotaged by the evil Emperor Zurg. For your safety, please remain seated. Your mission will resume momentarily. Star Command over and out. Attention Space Rangers, Buzz Lightyear has come to the rescue. For your safety, please remain seated. Your mission will resume immediately. Star Command over and out.
Maximum acceleration. 7% more than 7
Space Rangers, concentrate your firepower on Zerg's secret weapon.
No, stop that. I'm indestructible. Here, indestructible. store. Remember,
I need to try on the other side. My hand was cramping up so bad. Whew.
67,900.